In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Outlook with Jira seamlessly so you can efficiently create and track Jira issues directly from your Outlook inbox. This integration is handy for teams that heavily rely on both tools to manage their projects and communications without switching back and forth between applications. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Jira account. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Atlassian Marketplace. This marketplace is a hub for all sorts of apps and add-ons that can enhance your Jira experience, making it even more tailored to your specific needs. Searching for the right tool might seem daunting, but the intuitive interface helps you quickly locate what you need. Now, in the search bar, type in Microsoft Outlook add-in. Once you find it, simply click on it to open its detailed page. Reading through the installation instructions and reviewing the user feedback can give you better insight into what you're adopting. But for now, our main focus is installation. You'll find the install button prominently placed on the page. Go ahead and click that button to initiate the installation process. During this period, ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions. After successfully installing the add-in, the next crucial step is to authorize Jira to access your Outlook account. This authorization process is simple but essential, as it allows the two platforms to communicate effectively. Usually, you'll be prompted to log into your Outlook account if you aren't already. Once logged in, follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Think of this step as linking two colleagues in a work environment, ensuring they can share crucial information when needed. Once the setup is complete, you're all set to start using the add-in. Return to your Outlook inbox, and you'll notice the introduction of a new feature. This allows you to create and keep tabs on your Jira issues without leaving the comfort of your email environment. Imagine receiving an important email from a client that requires immediate action. With the add-in, you can instantly convert that email into a Jira issue, assigning it to your team and setting deadlines right from the inbox. This integration not only streamlines your workflow, but also minimizes the room for errors. It ensures critical information is captured precisely and no task goes unnoticed. By harnessing this tool, you're able to keep your focus on the messages at hand while efficiently managing your project tasks, boosting your productivity significantly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Outlook with Jira, opening up a seamless channel to manage your tasks more strategically. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore other possibilities within the Atlassian Marketplace for more